Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that makes video production as easy as snapping a selfie? Well, dreams do come true. Today, we're diving deep into the Kosmic Ai lifetime deal, a game changer in video production. Let's break it all down and see how Kosmic Ai can transform your workflow. What is Kosmic Ai? Imagine having a digital assistant who handles everything from hiring top-tier freelancers to generating professional-grade videos with AI. Sounds like magic, right? Well, that's Kosmic Ai for you. Kosmic Ai is an all-in-one platform that combines a Freelancer Marketplace, an AI-powered video editor, and project management tools. It's like having a full production studio at your fingertips. Here's the kicker: you can hire creative talent, generate videos with AI, and manage your projects all in one place. No more juggling multiple tools or stressing over deadlines. Kosmic Ai has got your back. Exclusive lifetime offers on AppSumo. Don't miss out. The regular pricing for Kosmic Ai can cost you hundreds, but thanks to AppSumo, you can grab this lifetime deal for a fraction of the cost. The lifetime deal starts at just $79, originally $120. That's a 34% discount. And guess what? It's a one-time payment. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. Just pure value. Let's take a closer look at the tiers available. License Tier 1, price $79, originally $120. Offering 700 AI credits per month, 14 minutes AI video per month, 70 minutes AI script per month, 70 captions/auto script minutes per month, 10 background removal, 1080p video quality, 15 minutes video export length, 2 GB storage, 1 users. License Tier 2, price $179, originally $240. Offering 1,500 AI credits per month, 30 AI video per month, up to 150 AI script minutes per month, up to 150 captions/auto script minutes, 20 background removal, 1080p video quality, 25 minutes video export, 5 GB storage, for users. License Tier 3, price $349, originally $480. Offering 3,000 AI credits per month, 60 minutes AI video per month, 300 AI script minutes per month, 300 captions/auto script minutes per month, unlimited background removal, 4K video quality, 45 minutes video export, 10 GB storage, 10 users. License Tier 4, price $599, originally $960. 5,000 AI credits per month, up to 90/month AI video minutes, up to 500 AI script minutes/month, up to 500 captions/auto script minutes, unlimited background removal, 4K video quality, 60 minutes video export, 20 GB storage, 20 users. All tiers include unlimited templates, stock videos/images, Kosmic stock audio, a built-in teleprompter, video recorder, workspace, messaging, task manager, and marketplace access. 6 most important features that make Kosmic Ai special. Freelancer Marketplace. Hire top-tier talent like video editors, animators, and scriptwriters with ease. AI video generation. Create professional-grade videos in seconds with custom visuals, captions, and voiceovers. Built-in teleprompter. Deliver scripts flawlessly with adjustable scroll speed and text size. Project management tools. Stay organized with customizable workflows, real-time chat, and task assignments. Unlimited stock assets. Access unlimited stock videos, images, and audio to elevate your content. No watermarks. Export your videos without any annoying watermarks. People who can benefit from Kosmic Ai. C-suite executives, marketers, social media managers, content creators, agencies, educators, brand ambassadors. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Got your eyes on the Kosmic Ai lifetime deal over at AppSumo? Well, guess what? I've got some spicy news for you. On top of that sweet $79 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. Math wizards, that's savings on savings. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's Kosmic Ai lifetime deal offer. Look for a discount pop-up bar. Type in an active email address. Check your email for the 10% off promotion. Reviews that Kosmic Ai lifetime deal on AppSumo got. So, are you ready to transform your video production chaos into a streamlined masterpiece? Dive into the world of Kosmic Ai. Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Why wait? Jump in and let the magic of Kosmic Ai roll.